Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Yo, what's up? Hey, check this out. It's a beautiful Saturday. Another blessing. Tuning in right now. This is like my first YouTube channel where I'm like advertising stuff.
That boy is
I
good.
think so. Cool. But look, hey, the name of this channel is Duh to You, Wow to Me. So don't judge me, okay? I'm just learning just like you are. Hey, before we even begin, hey, check out the cut real quick. Y'all get that real quick. Get the side. Hold on, I got y'all. I'm gonna help y'all. Yeah, check that out real quick. Check the cut out. Yeah. See the precision? See the clarity? Okay. Hey, listen. We know the pandemic is not over, right? COVID-19 is not over at all. If you're out there, please wear your mask. Safety first. That's in the house, that's outside the house. That's inside businesses, outside businesses, okay? All of these dope prints I have here laid out are designed by Von Ray. That's the business. I call her Tasha. You know, Tosh, just a little nickname. Right now, I'm going to show you how to place these rubber adjusters on the side of the face mask. This is the adult mask. I'm going to show you how to do this really quick, y'all. It's very simple. You take the crochet needle. Like I said, you can get them at Hobby Lobby. They're very cheap. You can get one with grips. You can get one without the grips. And on the rubber bands here, we're going to use white since we're using a black strap here. Here we go. Okay. So take the smallest part. Take the crochet needle. Go through it. Boom. Just like that. Simple. Get the mask. Put the crochet needle like this. You guys can see it. Place it on here. Pull down. Take these two fingers. Push up. Over it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Boom. When you get it through, just pull. It's simple. Just pull. Just like that. Just like that. Now when you pull, you don't have to be... you don't have to tug. Just gradually work it through. That's it. It'll go. It won't be smooth as butter, but work through it. Work through it. That's what you have to do. Okay, now we're going to go with the kids. Look at this print, y'all. Look at SpongeBob. Look at Patrick. Can't tell me your kids are going to love these. Tell them the small end of the rubber adjuster here. Same thing. Simple. It doesn't take long at all, guys. Make sure it pour down so it can stay in the little hook. Groove it. Groove it. Right on through. Bam. There you go. Push on through. Bam. There we go. If it come out, it's okay. Things happen. It's alright. It's alright. Just go right back through. Just pull right back on through. Simple. Just like that, guys. It's really simple. So again, this is Duh to You, but it's Wow to Me. Hey, I'm learning stuff every day.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
oh man, okay, alright,
Alright, tune in. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.